Hello, my name is Sakshi and I am a Hindustani Classical Vocal teacher in Grow Music Academy. So today we will be dealing with Hindustani Classical Vocals, Sargam and Alankar, okay? And today's video, first I'll tell you how to sing a proper sa by matching the same scale of Tanpura which you are setting. And let's say today I am setting C scale. So before we start saying sa or singing sa, we need to just keep it in our mind that our sound, our voice and the sound which is playing over there should match. So before that, for 2-3 seconds we need to do humming. With this, you get to know that your sound and the sound which is playing is matching or not. So for catching a particular song or to pick out a particular song, we need to do this always when we start singing a Bollywood song. So let's say now I am setting scale C. So start like this. Now, what is the advantage of doing this? So let's say your song starting from anywhere like ga or pa. So you get an idea after doing this. So let's say sa pa sa. Let's say any XYZ song. Tujhe jagah pair lagaya aisa. Here, I don't know from where the song is starting, but when I did sa pa sa, actually I got an idea from where it will start. Get it? So, in the same way, today we will be dealing with Alankar. Sa re ga ma pa ha ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. How I did this? Imagine you are climbing a ladder. So when you climb a ladder means you have to uplift your voice again and again after each swar. So this is Shuddha Swar. Okay, this is the normal Saregama which we sing. So how we sing? Sa, uplift your voice. Re, again uplift your voice. Ga, in the same way. Ma, pa. Again we have to come back. Sa, ni, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. This is how it goes. Now let's say I am picking any rag. This is the Shuddha Swar. The pattern which I've sung just now is Shuddha Swar. There is no modification. You have seen like no modification in any of the swar. But what? Instead of singing sa re, I will say sa re. You can see the difference between both the rays, right? So this gives rise to ragas. Okay. So let's say I will teach you Rag Bhairav, very easy rag, very beautiful rag which is sing in early morning, okay, between 4 to 6 a.m. in the morning, early morning. So this is the raga where we have Re and Dha Komal. Komal means what? We'll see a little modification in these two swar. Modification, okay? So instead of singing Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa Sa Ni Dha Pa Ma Ga Re Sa, I will sing Sa Re. This is Komal. Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa get to recognize or how to sing this swar. So these swar are nothing but your expression. Let's say you are a nod from someone, okay? So how you'll sing that? So sa re feels like I'm annoyed someone, right? And then I'm happy. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. In the same way. Sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Right? This sargam is nothing but full of expression, right? When you are happy, you have to keep it in your mind, re or dha, you have to get annoyed, right? So this is nothing but just an introduction part of Rag Bhairav, okay? So in Rag Bhairav, we have re and dha komal. So let's say I am singing any bandish. Jago mohana pyare tuma. You might have seen there is some variation, right? You can feel the aura where re and dha is komal. Jago mohana pyare tuma savari surata more mana bhave. So this is the introductory part of Rag Bhairav, how Hindustani classical vocal is actually being sung. When we do the lesson, we will see each and every rag in more detailed manner. Not like this. This is just a demo video for you. So we'll see in the session. I'm going to teach each and every swar how to mold your voice in such a way that you'll get a proper komal re and komal dha. Okay? It's time to sing a song now. So I've taken a beautiful song. So with the help of this song, you'll get to know how to sing komal ga. And the song being composed by taking komal ga here. If I want to start a song, I'll do little humming. फिर से एक बार. So I did sa pa. फिर से एक बार pa 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 dha pa. फिर से एक बार उजड़ जाते हैं. First, I am sticking, like I am sticking on pa first. So pa 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 tha pa ma ga re sa. Okay, so this is how we have to do a song. So again, फिर से एक बार pa tha pa pa. फिर से एक बार pa pa dha pa उजड़ रे ma re sa. उजड़ जाते हैं. How I'm coming down. There is not a drastic फिर से एक बार. No. फिर से एक बार. We have to play with the emotions and the expressions also. So again, फिर से एक बार. Second step. उजड़ जाते हैं. Okay. Third portion. चल तेरे इश्क में. Little bit of diction will come here. So again, sa re ga ma sa ni. This is fourth. जाते हैं. So re ga re sa ni sa. Re ga re sa ni sa. जाते हैं. We actually put each and every swar in a right place to get a right touch of that song, to beautify that song in more beautiful manner. This detailing is very important to give a feeling. So classical music is actually based on these kind of swars only, where I have sung a ga komal, not ga shuddha. So ga shuddha is like sa re ga, this, and I have sung सारे ग. Okay, पड़ जाते हैं. This I have to keep in my mind. It was the first lesson. If you want to learn more about Hindustani classical vocal in more detailed manner, you can surely join us and contact our team. Thank you.